it's about the Unnati Center that is situated in Bangalore. So I think many of you are curious to know what is Unnati and where it is situated and how it's work. So I will take you the tour that what it is and how the training module works, and basically you will get familiar the structure. So for this you have to reach in Bangalore, and basically there are two stations, KSR and SMBT. From this you can take auto, cab and buses, and by that you have to reach Bayanpalli station, and you can just keep on walking for 10 minutes, you can reach at the center. It's just 1 kilometer away from the Bayanpalli metro station. So after that you will able to arrive. So I will take you the tour. I am just in front of the Unnati, you can see the logo. So let's take a look. Thank you.
Okay, with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Catch, but yeah,
Yes.
straight to the
Experience was really top notch, and we can say I relished myself during 21 or 22 days.
First journey started with Unnati. So, Unnati Foundation gave me lots of beautiful friends to me and our mentors and so supportive members also. And Unnati Foundation is a very unique program. I learned here only. So it's a main program for youth, right? So in future we have more responsibility to teach or say something for the younger generation to youth. It's very powerful responsibility we are taking now. So in Unnati center and hostel also, it's very infrastructure was like amazing. Like it's a like corporate office like that, and students, faculty, faculty is very close and very supportive with us. And yeah, I learned so many things. And food also very good. So who are served to us food, I'm very thankful to them also. And every time monitoring for us hostel and beds and food and accommodation, everything keep for us free. It's very blessed for us, right? So this is for my side. I want to give these beautiful flowers to my Chitra ma'am. Because Chitra madam, she bring food for us. I took very interesting and tasty, and the food was really yummy and so sweet. And so, yeah, I thought I don't have mother. Last 2023 passed away.
Very nice.
So I learned from that. I know value of food. Thank you for giving food. And my team members, thank you for supporting me and cooperate with us. Thank you so much. And you can Rovita. Right? So can I sister? She's my sister. From
Okay,
yeah.
yes, please.
Good morning, one and all.
Good morning.
Before coming here, I am very upright, because when I am attending online session, all people are from UP, Bihar. Most of them are talking Hindi only. I am very upright. Why? Because there are no Telugu people. I am from Telangana. My mother tongue is Telugu. How can I survey there? But the thing is totally changed. When I came here, I had so many friends, mostly Pratiksha and Sana. I never ever stayed in a hostel before, but after that I changed everything. I gained knowledge here very much. Now I can say myself what is the difference between the positive attitude and negative attitude. I learned that some situations, according to my marriage life, I face so many stress in my life. I get to know that how to manage my stress. I learned here by Sarabhiman. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Want to take about the age criteria. So some mentors are like of our age only. Maybe some are younger also. but still the way they have conducted the session, we never feel out like they are like younger than us, but even we are giving them respect so much from the heart only. So I will also do the same when I'm going to the college now. So thank you everyone.
First of all, thank you everyone, because it is the last day and I'm very happy because I got many things from here. First thing is that which will help me in my life, that is assertiveness. Okay. And also I'm very thankful to my all the trainer which has guided us, me and us in a very well way. Also I got many good friends here. I will not take all the names, but all are very good connection with me. And
good morning, everyone. Good morning, I want to first say that I'm honored to have met all of you. It made an impact on me that all of you are from far and wide in India. I met Amarnath from Sitamarhi, Sushil is also from Sitamarhi, Jamui, Begusarai, and I learnt about your places. It was a small lesson in Ramayana about Sitamarhi being place of Sita and palace of Raja Jana. Yes. And I enjoyed learning about your places and where all of you are from. Yes. Bidar is famous for Bidri work. Yes. So that was the first impact on me. And about the other things that impacted me were the session of a plate of rice, sharing of positive incidents, positive and negative mindset, and positive and negative mindset, assertiveness, all this made an impact on me. Once again, I thank you all and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Guruji. Good morning everyone. Good morning sir. That I am going to South. But I was surprised that we are same in North and South, and we are one. We are Indian. Okay. So if we talk about Unnati premises, it is clean, beautiful, and hygiene. And if we talk about trainer, they are supportive, they are motivator, and they are humble. Okay. And if we talk about you, yes, my plea, you are very supportive because I am from different religion. I am Hindu, I am from Muslim, and you are, and I never feel that I am yes, from different religion. Yes, you all support me, motivate me. Okay. And one thing is affected me more, that is curriculum. If we implement this curriculum effectively, then we will transform the life of our youth.
And I am from Patna city. I am before joining the Unnati, I am so excited and joined the Unnati. And before I join the Unnati, I think about Unnati, how is the trainer, how is the curriculum, so how is the follow the curriculum. And after continuing 1 to 2 class, meet all the trainers and staffs. So all the trainer and staffs was so humble and so supportive, always. And he always say me, if you in trouble in any situation, call me anytime. And so supportive, and also trainer way of delivering learning is very, very unique. How to you have lots of knowledge, but how to deliver and interactive way. So my trainer was so nice of you, and also Komal ma'am looks like pretty, and also and also his knowledge looks like so high.
And here, she proved that quotation: "Age doesn't matter; age is just a number."
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Amarnath Kumar and I am from Bihar, Sitamarhi district. So first of all, I would like to say thank you for our wonderful trainer who gave us a very wonderful training us. Okay, so I would like to say individually some word from for our trainer. First of all, I would like to say thank you for Diana ma'am. She is looking like my mother. And I learned from Diana ma'am how to stay always calm and smile on your face. And I learned from Subi ma'am how to be always energetic. And I learned from Komal ma'am how to stay on your topic. If someone disturbs you in your classroom, you can follow Komal ma'am strategy how to stay on your topic, not divert on another topic, because we have only 3 hours and we have to learn all the lessons like life skill, English learning, and personality development, all the things. So we should how to manage our time. We can learn from Komal ma'am. And
रह के चमक छोड़ जाऊंगा। शहरों में रह के चमक छोड़ जाऊंगा, पहचान अपनी दूर तलक छोड़ जाऊंगा। शहरों में रह के चमक छोड़ जाऊंगा, पहचान अपनी दूर तलक छोड़ जाऊंगा। खामोशियों के मतों ने गवारा नहीं मुझे, खामोशियों के मतों ने गवारा नहीं मुझे, साहब शीशा टूट कर भी खनक छोड़ जाऊंगा। गा तो मैं भी सकता हूं पर आवाज नहीं है, गा तो मैं भी सकता हूं पर आवाज नहीं है, बजा तो मैं भी सकता हूं पर साज नहीं है। बनाने वाले ने क्या बनाया ताजमहल, बनाने वाले ने क्या बनवाया ताजमहल, अजी बनवा तो मैं भी सकता था पर मेरी कोई भुला ना सके, भूल के जो भुला ना सके वो पहली हो तुम, भूल के भुला ना सके वो पहली हो तुम, जाने अनजाने मैं कैसी न जाने पहली हो तुम। Thank you every
opportunity and the state that is giving, it's making a great bond with passing. So I would like to say thanks from the starting of the foundation, that is Unnati, that gives a platform, that has given a platform to come here, and especially the person who has started and who has taken the initiative, that we need to give this type of quality. And apart from that, I would like to thank our sponsor also, that who are giving us. That's why we are here. If they are not here, then it's not possible that we are going to get a such platform. So starting with that, I would like to thank. Coming to my experience as a Unnati, what I have learned, starting with the entry of our Bangalore visit, this was very new place for us because we are from the northern side and we are not aware with the culture of it. So starting with that, when we entered in the Bangalore, the language was totally blank. When we heard the language of auto drivers, we were blank. What they are trying to say, we are not getting to understand. Somehow we try to communicate in English, in Hindi, and we have reached the destination. Starting with the first class, we are aware that what is Unnati, how this Unnati works, and we are glad to know that. Apart from this, I would like to say one of the most important lesson that we learned, that is dignity of labor. Because everyone is human and everyone is working. But when it's come to respect, no one is giving. Okay? So this is one of the fabulous lesson I can say. And apart from this, there are lots of experience from the people, from the teachers, from the mentors and students. And I would like to say one more thing that is related to students. So when I met with the southern student, I felt there is nothing different. It's making them unity. The same situation that facing the students of north, they are also facing the south also. So we are not divided, we are equal, and that is making work.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm very, very happy to see so many changes in each and every single person over here, which was not expected. The last LS, there was so much improvement in the people from whom we didn't expect. Ravi, Shashi, I don't remember what it's like. So that is, you know what, that inspires us to do much better the next time, because we are able to see the difference in you all. So one thing I would like to say is, the feedback that you've got, take it forward, do work like this so that you can see the change in the youth. That is the main thing that is very important, right? And I like each and every one of you, but there is no favoritism here. But the one person who always smiles, Saurabh.
Always 24/7 he has a smile on his face, which I would expect each and everybody to have. It takes you a long way. You're all missing your place already and you wanted to go there. Yeah. Okay, so just wanted to tell you all, really appreciate each one of you and taken time, you've given your time and you've come so long. Okay. So you have come here, living your family, living what you like, which place you like, and you just came here for a cause as well as for a job. I understand. So I hope you have got something from this 20 days.
Yes.
And you've learned a lot of things where you can go and teach your youth who is going to be our future, and that is what is our cause as well. Yeah. So whatever you have learned in this 20 days, it is just a foundation. Yeah, but there is a lot. So you have to go through each and every topics before you take a session. Any doubts, any clarification, I would request you all to please reach out to us.
As this batch started, I was also in a very, very critical situation. But through these 20 days, I see myself as a very different person. Yeah. So I've been with Unnati for quite some time now. You know, I personally believe, and I've seen it, yeah, and it's all about the feeling. This place has power.
Exactly.
Yeah, this place has a lot of power. The way it has impacted me as a person, yeah, just 1% of it, if you start feeling, trust me, you will start feeling like a complete different person. Yeah. So it would have been very difficult for me to move out of that situation if this batch wouldn't have been there. Yeah. Because as I was indulging myself into work, each one of you also contributed to me feeling better every day. Yeah. So thank you so much. And
Yes.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!